Oh shit, they're drifting. Oh fuck. Oh, we got a whip on this one. If this isn't Texas, I don't know what is. Alright, Lewis fucked himself up good. Broken ribs maybe. We're gonna go to the hospital. Alright, welcome YouTube to part 2 of this adventure. Today's secret word will be stoppy, Team Snap. Yeah, good luck, bud. I'm not gonna try to split this fucker. Look at all the burnout marks here. I think it's a popular drift spot. Luke's gonna try to endo the whole bridge all the way down. There he goes, full endo. I can't say the S word. Well, let me get a couple pictures going over this bridge. Nice. Woo. Look at Alex breaking the law over there. He's still got 9 of his fingers. Hey, he's still out here, so kudos to him. Boop. All right, Fuel City break with tacos in our belly, and we'll be right back with some more wheelies and things. All right, we're back. Scatman. I can't even do that while I'm on 2 wheels. Head over to the warehouse, look around there a little bit. Maybe the models will be there taking another photo shoot. Apparently they film a lot of rap videos there too, so we might get that. I'm proud of my double peggers. Ooh. Boop. Skibbity-doo. Only sponsored by O'Neill right here. Boop. I need to get on that level. I need some O'Neill sponsorship. Hey, another cop right here. Oh shit, we're already at the warehouse. Oh no, the train's right there. Fuck your train. There's no one coming. We're looking left. Fucking one takes us out over here. Oh, that's where O'Neill shines. Oh, big one. Oh fuck. Oh, fuck. Damn it. That's gonna be fun going through the fucking airport with. I might have to change pants. Damn. Oh, my leg is fucked. Yeah. Throw some dirt on it. All right, back at the warehouse. I went through a puddle. Come on, dirty Gromer. Look at his fucking bike. His bike is fucked. Sorry, Alex. Oh, you got the Mazda Club out here. We got Miatas. What the fuck? We got a damn Tahoe in there. 350, 370, whatever that is. A Scion. Just honks every time I make a left. Oh, let me use this AIDS infested. No, I don't think I'm gonna use that. We'll be alright. Visor down though. I want to show Lewis's ball of death. He's doing rolling burnouts under the ball of death. You see it? He's gonna lose his other finger. Oh shit! They're drifting. Oh fuck, Tokyo drift out here. Is he done? Okay. Hopefully someone doesn't come whipping it around this fucking corner. Oh, this guy's coming in. Lewis is here.
I got no handbrake anymore.
Weak. I'm gonna go this way. I wonder how this roof caved in. Probably the weight of all these trees that were on it. Oh shit. What is that? Kia? Fuck. You gotta do something about your horn. Make me look like an asshole every time I make a left turn. Look at this motherfucker. That's pretty good. I can't turn left. Every time I turn left, I look at an asshole like I'm beeping at people. Fucking, I'm just trying to get out. I wonder how many people look back and like, damn, that Photogromer guy's a dick. Turn, bitch. Oh, Sumo Squad's here. Boop, boop. Sumo Squad taking over. Fun guys, watch out for those Miatas. The bumper here. Look at this shit, guys. Come on, get up. think the last Groms are coming. Oh, Susumos are coming too. What is that? Fireplace thing. What's up? Hope nobody wants to go faster than 20. There we go. Finally got seconds. Yes, we got them. Whoa, oh shit. Damn. She's throwing up the deuce. Pushing that cart all the way up here. Damn. Dallas, your homeless is it's pretty impressive. Lewis intersection wheelies. Look at this dude just laying down on the ground. He's so fucked up, he's laying down on the ground, just throws his hand up. Damn. He's got the swerve going. I want to swerve, like on purpose. Look at all these trucks. Hey, Andre, shout out Andre. I don't think he fucks with Flying J's. Uh-oh. We got the Harley guys, we got the big riders. Midnight Riders. Look at that, we got a whip on this one. Alright, bye guys. Lou's gonna try to scrape. There it is. Got the big bikes now too. Oh, there's horses up here. What the fuck? What the fuck, Dallas? Here you go, Lewis. Here you go, Lewis. There's fucking horses here. If this isn't Texas, I don't know what is. These horses just wanted some good. They wanted to eat. Got them locked up in there. Okay. This guy's just like, what the fuck? I'm gonna take one of these. That was better than a cow on the road. This guy's got a sweater around his neck. Oh, it's Mike. It's Tank Wheelie. That makes sense. Should have known. I think we can get Mike back on a Grom sooner or later. How about? I was like, look at this guy with a sweater on his neck, and I realized it was you. I was like, that makes sense. All right, Tampa. We got Dank Wheelie, Louis Stunts, and myself doing very shitty wheelies. At least I am. That is a clean bike. I like that white. All right, guys, we're at the stunt lot. This is the finale of the ride portion. Actually, I take that back. If you guys have made it this far, stay tuned. We're gonna have a great ending to this video. Oh, got it. All right, we'll be right back. Take a little break. Someone said Lewis went down. Oh shit. There's a crowd. Yeah, that's Lewis. Damn it. Stoppy?
No, not on this side. Not on that side.
You fucked up? Yeah, Lewis fucked himself up good. Broken ribs, maybe. We're gonna go to the hospital. Up there. Just take a breath. We're gonna follow on the bikes.
We'll get the clothes and we'll come to the hospital with y'all.
Hold on to this in case. Hey, just hold this in your hand, all right?
Well, I'm gonna follow them. If y'all wanna like take
You got your wallet? You didn't lose that? All right, I'll be behind you. I'll meet you at the hospital. We're leaving today? Tomorrow? I'm just gonna follow, see what's going on, but you're leaving tomorrow, right? I'm just gonna ride over there, follow him. You're leaving tomorrow, right?
Yeah, I'm going back tomorrow morning.
Oh, Southwest?
What?
Southwest?
Yeah. 7:05, I think I leave.
All right.
Next weekend.
Yeah. Well,
I'm delayed.
I'll see you back in Tampa if I don't see you.
Yes, sir.
All right, Lewis is fucked. This is bad. We're gonna go to the hospital. He thinks he broke his rib and his wrist. He said he was going about 40 when he looped, so yeah, this could be a bad one. Although when I looped my stoppie, it felt like my ribs were broken. His wrist is definitely fucked. That thing was swollen. Ribs, let's hope they're not busted, because that's gonna be bad. we're gonna book it to the hospital. It's not a good one. We gotta concentrate. This is a VA hospital. I don't know if VA hospital you can go if you're not a veteran. I don't know how that works. VA hospital. Does it matter?
He said they do both.
Okay. That's main entrance. Emergency that way. Oh shit, police station's right here too.
Find out if they do both.
VA only takes veterans, even though I'm a veteran. I probably wouldn't recommend it. So we're gonna go to Crescent, 17 minutes away, 7 miles. Mind the speed bumps. Bet you that felt good. So the VA hospital does not take non-veterans. Sorry, Lewis. We're going to another one, which is like 7 miles away. So yeah. How you feeling?